Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling 10 years younger. Your liver is the silent engine of your body, but after 50, that engine needs a specific kind of fuel to keep running. Most people ignore the signs of a sluggish liver until it's too late. But what if one simple drink, taken right before bed, could start repairing the damage while you sleep? In the next 5 minutes, I will show you the science-backed nighttime elixir that flushes out toxins and restores your vitality. This isn't just a recipe, it's a total body reset that starts tonight. Your liver performs over 500 essential functions every single day. It filters your blood, breaks down fats, and regulates your energy levels. As we cross the age of 50, our liver's ability to regenerate naturally begins to slow down. According to the American Liver Foundation, fatty liver disease is becoming a quiet epidemic for those in their prime years. The good news is that your liver is the only organ capable of complete regeneration. You can start this process by adding specific bitter vegetables to your daily meals. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are absolute powerhouses for liver health. A study published in the journal Nutrients shows these greens increase the liver's natural detoxification enzymes. Think of these vegetables as a deep cleaning crew for your internal filter. Alongside your diet, simple movement is your liver's best friend. A brisk 15-minute walk after dinner helps your body process glucose more efficiently. This prevents excess sugar from being stored as fat inside your liver cells. By combining these simple foods with light exercise, you are laying the foundation for the nighttime elixir. While vegetables provide the foundation, certain fruits act as the spark for your liver's recovery. Citrus fruits like lemons and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and A study in the journal World Journal of Gastroenterology highlights how naringenin found in grapefruit helps protect the liver from injury. It specifically reduces inflammation and prevents the buildup of harmful fats. Blueberries and cranberries are also essential because they contain anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants give the berries their dark color and help keep your liver tissue healthy. Eating just a small bowl of these fruits daily can significantly reduce the risk of long-term damage. Beyond the fruit basket, certain natural supplements can provide an extra layer of protection. Milk thistle is perhaps the most famous herb for liver support used for centuries. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic have looked into silymarin, the active ingredient in milk thistle, for its potential to help liver cells grow. It acts like a protective shield against environmental toxins and processed foods. Another gentle but effective supplement is turmeric, which contains the compound curcumin. Curcumin is widely recognized by health authorities for its ability to reduce liver enzymes that signal stress. Adding a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric makes it much easier for your body to absorb. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement routine after 50. Even simple vitamin E, found in sunflower seeds and almonds, plays a vital role in preventing oxidative stress. The goal is to provide your body with the raw materials it needs to repair itself during the night. When you combine these fruits and supplements, you are creating a biological environment for healing. Your liver begins to shed the weight of toxins that have built up over several decades. This prepares your system for the final step, the specific nighttime drink recipe we are about to discuss. Now we have reached the most important part of our journey, the nighttime elixir recipe itself. This drink is designed to work with your body's natural circadian rhythm while you rest. Research from the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology suggests the base of our drink is warm water, which helps dilate blood vessels and aids digestion. To this, you will add 1 tablespoon of raw, organic apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to help reduce liver fat in several clinical observations. Next, add the juice of half a fresh lemon to provide that critical boost of vitamin C. The third ingredient is half a teaspoon of ginger. Powder or freshly grated ginger root. Ginger is a powerful thermogenic agent that helps the liver process toxins more rapidly. A study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that ginger supplementation significantly improves liver enzyme levels. For the final touch, add a small dash of cinnamon, which helps regulate blood sugar levels throughout the night. Stable blood sugar means your liver doesn't have to work overtime to manage glucose spikes while you sleep. Mix these ingredients thoroughly and consume this drink about 30 minutes before you head to bed. This simple ritual sends a signal to your internal organs that it is time to begin the deep cleaning process. While the drink works from the inside, remember that quality sleep is the ultimate healer. The National Sleep Foundation emphasizes that 7 to 8 hours of rest is crucial for organ regeneration after age 50. Avoid eating heavy or processed meals at least 3 hours before sleeping to give your liver a head start. Hydration throughout the day also ensures that the toxins flushed by the liver are easily removed by your kidneys. By following this routine, you are not just drinking a beverage, you are adopting a life-saving habit. Your liver has been working hard for you for over 5 decades, and now it is time to return the favor. Taking care of your liver is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. After 50, small and consistent changes lead to the most significant health breakthroughs. Start with this simple bedtime drink tonight, and listen to how your body responds over the next week. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who cares about their health. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wellness Path podcast for more science-backed tips on living with vitality.